ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ውድ የዲጂታል ቲዩብ ቤተሰቦች ሰላማችሁ ባላችሁበት ይብዛ። በተለያየ ጊዜ ለእናንተ በኤችኤምኤስ እና በዳታቤዝ የሲኦሲ ጥያቄዎችን ወደ እናንተ ሳደርስ ቆይቻለሁኝ። ስለዚህ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን እና የሲኦሲ ኤችኤምኤስ እና ዳታቤዝ ያሉትን ጥያቄዎች ዲጂታል ቲዩብ በማለት እና ሰርች በማድረግ ቪዲዮ የሚለውን ሊስት ላይ እንደምትመለከቷቸው እነዚህን የሚመስሉ ጥያቄዎች አሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በቲዮሪውም በፕራክቲካሉም ሁለቱም የያዘ በተለያየ ቨርዥን ማለት ነው ከአንድ እስከ ሶስት በተለያዩ ጊዜ የወጡ ጥያቄዎችን ከሚፈተኑ ተማሪዎችም ከራሴም ላይ ያሉ የተፈተኑት ጥያቄ በማጠራቀም ወደ እናንተ ሳደርስ ቆይቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህን እየገባችሁ እንድትከታተሉ ሲል ኮድ እያሳሰብኩኝ በዛሬው ዕለት ደግሞ ለእናንተ ያዘጋጀሁት የዳታቤዝ ዌብ ዴቨሎፕመንት ኢን ዳታ አድሚኒስትሬሽን ቲዎሪቲካል ኤግዛሙን ለእናንተ ይበጃል ይሆናል ያልኩትን ለማድረስ መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ እሱ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደምትመለከቱት የአይቲ ኢንፎርሜሽን ሳብ ሴክተሩ መካከል ማለት ነው ዌብ ዴቨሎፕመንት ኤንድ ዳታቤዝ አድሚኒስትሬሽን ሌቭል 4 ኖሌጅ አሰስመንት ነው። ስለዚህ ከሌቭል 1 እንደሚታወቀው እስከ 4 ድረስ መያዝ አለበት ተብሎ ኤክስፔክት ይደረጋል። ከዛ ውስጥ ደግሞ በዋናነት ሊይዛቸው የሚችሉት ዩኒት ኦፍ ኮምፒተንሲዎች የምትመለከቷቸውን ይመስላሉ ማለት ነው። እንደምትመለከቱት ሌቭል 1 ላይ እነዚህን ሶስት ኮርሶችን ብቻ ይዟል ማለት ነው። ሌቭል 2 ጋር ስትሄዱ ደግሞ እነዚህ እንደምትመለከቱ ሶስት ኮርሶች አሉት። ሌቭል 3 ስትሄዱ በተመሳሳይ እነዚህን እስከዚህ ያሉትን ኮርሶችን ይዟል ማለት ነው። ፎር ላይ በጣም በዛ ያለ እንግዲህ እንደምትመለከቱት ከሌቭል 1 እስከ ሌቭል 4 ድረስ የራሳቸው ፐርሰንት አለ። ስለዚህ በዛ ፐርሰንት መሰረት ጥያቄዎችም የሚበዙና የሚካተቱ ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። እነሱን ዲፔንድ አድርጋችሁ ብታነቡ ሲኦሲውን ለማለፍ ብቁ ትሆናላችሁ ብዬ ኤክስፔክት አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በአጠቃላይ በዋናነት ቲዎሪቲካሉ ሲዘጋጅ እነዚህን ዩኒት ኦፍ ኮምፒተንሲ የሚነካ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዛሬው ዕለት እነዚህን ዩኒት ኦፍ ኮምፒተንሲን የያዘ ጥያቄ ከሲኦሲው ላይ ይመጣል ተብሎ 100% ኤክስፔክት የሚደረግ ነው። ስለዚህ 80 ጥያቄ ነው ያለ። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዱ ጥያቄ እናያለን። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? መጀመሪያ ላይ እያነበብኩ እኔ ትከታተላላችሁ። እናንተ ደግሞ በሚገባችሁና የእናንተ የምታውቁት ጥያቄ መልስ ይዛችሁ ትቆያላችሁ። መጨረሻ ላይ ሙሉ ጥያቄውን መልስ ዲስፕሌይ ያደርግላችኋለሁ። የእናንተን ፐርፎርማንስ ይህንን ጥያቄ በመስራት ፐርፎርማንሳችሁን ሜዥር አድርጋችሁ ወደ ፈተና በመግባት ራሳችሁን ብቁ ታደርጋላችሁ የሚል እሳቤ በመያዝ ነው ማለት ነው ይህንን ወደ እናንተ ለማድረስ የመጣሁት። ሶ ዘ ፈርስት ኩዌሽን ሳይዝ ዛት ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ሜን ፐርፐዝ ኦፍ አንቲቫይረስ ሶፍትዌር ኢን ፕሮቴክቲንግ የኮምፒውተር ሲስተምስ? ኮምፒውተር ሲስተም ላይ የአንቲቫይረስ ሶፍትዌር ዋና ጥቅሙ ፐርፐዙ ምንድን ነው የሚለው ኤ ቱ ኢንሃንስ ዘ ኦቨርኦል ስፒድ ኤንድ ፐርፎርማንስ ኦፍ ዘ ሲስተም ቱ ፕሪቨንት ዲቴክት ኤንድ ኤሊሚኔት ቫሪየስ ታይፕስ ኦፍ malware threats. C to manage and organize files on the hard drive. D to help users organize their data effectively. ስለዚህ ጥያቄዎችን ስትመልሱ መያዝ ያለባችሁ ነገር ምንድን ነው? ቤስት አንሰር ስለሆነ ቤስት አንሰሩን እናንተ መያዝ ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ኢን ፓይተን which data type is used to stores an ordered collections of items that are mutable or can be modified? A table, B list, C dictionary, D set. ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ what is the purpose of conditional formatting in Excel spreadsheets? What is the purpose of conditional formatting in Excel spreadsheets? A to change the structures of the spreadsheet. B to automate adjust formula based on data. C to apply visual styles to cells based on specific criteria. D to store data in particular orders. አራተኛ which Python control structure is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition remains true? A if statement, B for loop, C while loop, D selection construct. አምስተኛ what is the primary difference between arrays and lists in Python when using the array modules? A arrays are immutable while lists are mutable. B array can store elements of different data type while lists cannot. C arrays can only store elements of the same data type while as list can contain elements of the different data types. D lists are faster and use less memory space than arrays. ስድስተኛ ጥያቄ What does ACID stands for in the context of database transactions? A. Availability, consistency, integrity, durability. B. Automaticity, consistency, isolation, durability. C. Access, control, integration, definition. D. Analyze, classification, index, distribution. ሰባተኛ ጥያቄ in an AR diagrams, how are multi-valued attributes typically displayed? A. In rectangular box. B. In diamond shape. C. In single oval. D. In double ovals. ስምንተኛ which one of the following is a primary mechanism used for access control in database management systems to ensure data security? A. Data normalization. B. Quality optimization. C. Automation and authorization. Authentication and authorization. D. Data architecture or archive. ዘጠነኛ which SQLs or SQL keyword is used to store data in either ascending or descending order based on one or more columns? A. Group by. B. Having. C. Filter. D. Order by. አስረኛ what is the main functions of distinct identifiers in SQL select statements? To test for existence of any record in a subquery. B. To search for a specific pattern in a column. C. To eliminate duplicate record for result set. D. To return a Boolean value as a result of comparison. 11ኛ ጥያቄ which types of SQL joins keyword returns all record from the left tables and the matching records from the right side table, which the result showing zero records from the right sides if there is no matches? A. Inner join. B. Left join. C. Right join. D. Full outer joins. 12ኛ which file format is widely recognized and used for image on internet? A. .exe. B. .gpg. C. .mp3. D. .doc. 13 what's the main purpose of service level agreements in IT services? A. To determine expectation for service delivery between its provider and the client. B. To manage client relationships and communication. D. To set financial limits on service costs. D. To track users' behaviors for analysis. 14ኛ which command is example of data control language statements to control privilege in the database, specifically to give permission to users? A. Select. B. Insert. D. Revoke. D. Grants. 15ኛው what is the main purpose of having is clause if SQL differentiating it from where clauses? A. To filter individuals row before they are grouped. B. To filter query results based on aggregates function and groupings. C. To specify the orders in which the final result sets displayed. D. To eliminate duplicate value from the result sets. 16ኛ what symbol is used to declare a variable in PHP? A. Hash. B. At. C. Dollar. D. %. 17 what is the primary functions of the recycle bin in a window operating systems? A. To permanently delete files that are no longer needed. B. To temporarily store files that users have deleted. C. To manage file permissions and access rights. D. To organize application and programs. 18 in PHP which operator is used for strong concatenation? A. Plus. B. Minus. C. Dot. D. Asterisk. What is the name of special methods in Python classes that act as a constructor and it's called automatically when an object is created? A. New. B. or C underscore init underscore D main. Now, how would you access the name input field from submit from page using post methods? A dollar underscore post and name. B dollar get name. C from name. D dollar underscore request name. And now, what is the results of the following page codes? X which equals to 10 plus 5 equal X. A 15, B 10, C 10, D error. Violet, what does the terms moda mean? A value creations, B waste, C speed, D maintenance. Source, which one of the following is an advantage of using scripting language? A portability and cross-platform support. B complex syntax. D C high memory requirements. D need for special software installations. Which system configuration is steps involves allocating buffer sizes and cache settings? A network configuration, B memory allocation, C storage configuration, D authentication setup. Which ACID property ensures that committed transactions remains permanent even after system failures? A automaticity, B consistency, C isolation, D durability. Suggest which data integrity constraint requires every table to have a unique primary key? A referential integrity, B entity integrity, C domain integrity, D user defined integrity. The next one, what is the main purpose of creating database index? A to reduce storage space, B to enable fast data retrieval, C to automate backups, D to enforce data encryption. The next one, which look types allows multiple transactions to read this resource simultaneously? A exclusive lock, B shared lock, C write lock, E none. What is the primary focus of block box testing in database systems? What is the primary focus of black box testing in database systems? A internal code structure, B system interfaces and integration, C database schema design, D security protocols. In a single tier database architecture, A clients and servers resides on different machines. B client server and database resides on the same machine. C business logic is separated from database. D requires internet connectivity. 31, which RID level provides block levels stripping within distributed party? A RID 1, B RID 3, C RID 5, D RID 6. Which backup type is only copy data changes since the last backup of any types? A full backup, B mirror backup, C incremental backup, D differential backups. The next one, disk mirroring or RID1 requires A 3 disk minimum, B at least 2 physical drive, C dedicated party disks, D byte level stripping. The last post backup different from full backups in that they A requires database downtimes, B allows continuous database access during backup, C use less storage spaces, D are only suitable for small database. 35, which payment method is widely used in Ethiopia for mobile transactions? ፔይፓል፣ ቴሌብር፣ ክሬዲት ካርድ፣ ቢትኮይንስ። 36 primary purpose of user feedback mechanisms: A. Collect marketing leads. B. Identify improvement area and enhance satisfaction. C. Reduce website content. D. Automate customer service. 37 which standard mandates lack accessibility for users with disabilities? A. PCI DSS. B. ISO 9001. C. WCAG 2.1. D. GDPR. 38 which ISO standard focus on information security management documentations? ISO 9001, ISO 40001, ISO 27001, ISO 15001. 39 what is the first steps designing technical documentations? A. Selecting fonts. B. Understanding audience and purpose. C. Writing content. D. Auditing visuals. 40 what is which is not an advantage of using document templates? Which is not an advantage of using document templates? A. Ensuring consistent formatting. B. Reducing trials and error. C. Automatic content creations. D. Saving times. 41 what is the key steps when submitting documentation for reviews? A. Hides version 3. B. Use collaborative tools like Google Docs. C. Exclude supporting materials. D. Avoid finding review goals. The next one is why includes visuals in technical documentations? A. To increase page count. B. To replace texts. C. To enhance understanding of complex concepts. D. To add to creative elements. 43 dynamic websites typically incurs higher costs than static websites due to A. Simpler design requirement, use of server-side technology and database. C. Limited functionality. D. Absence of user interactions. 44 which smart creations ensures project objects are quantifiable? A. Specific. B. Measurable. C. Achievable. D. Time bound. 45 integration with third-party APIs affects cost estimations by A. Adding subscription or transaction costs. B. Eliminating licensing fees. C. Reducing development time. D. Simplifying compliance. 46 contingency budgets address A. Unforeseen risks and scope changes. B. Fixed development costs. C. Marketing expenses. D. Routine maintenance. 47 in 3-point estimations. In 3-point estimation, the formula for expected value or TE is A. TE which equals to O plus M plus P divided by 3. TE equals to O plus 2M plus P divided by 4. C. TE which equals to O plus 4M plus P divided by 6. TE which equals to O plus P divided by 2. 48 bottom-up estimation provides high accuracy because it uses expert judgment exclusively. B. Aggregates costs for individual work packages. C. Ignores project scope. D. Relies on historical averages. 49 which one of the following best describes pseudo codes? Which one of the following best describes pseudo codes? A. A compliant program read for execution. A compiled programs read for executions. B. An English-like representation of program logic intended for human understanding. C. A particular representation of algorithm steps. D. Automated tools used in software development. አምሳኛ what does the diamond symbol typically what does the diamond symbols typically represent in a flowchart? A. The beginning of or end of program. Information coming into going out of the program. Calculation in a program must do. A decision point that a program must make. 51. What is an advantage of rapid application development or RAD model? A. It is applicable to temporary projects due to low modeling costs. B. It does not require high-skilled developers. C. Increase reusability of components. D. It is appropriate when technical risk is high. 52. What is the main difference between software verification and software validation? What is the main difference between software verification and software validation? A. Verification happens at the end of SDLC while validation occurs throughout. B. Verification ensures the finished device meets user needs while validation checks design outputs meet the phase requirements. C. Validation involves analyzing code and documentation while verification only involves testing. The verification checks its design output meet this requirement for a phase, while validation is confirms specification confirms user need and intended users for finished devices. 53 which concept allows a single function name behaves different based on the object cleaning it. Which concept allows a single function name to behave differently based on the object calling it. A. Abstraction. B. Inheritance. C. Polymorphism. D. Encapsulation. Which of these is an example of protected variables? Underscore salary, salary, underscore salary. D. Protected dot salary. 55ኛ which does the following codes output? እንደምትመለከቱት እዚህ ጋር ፕላስ አኒማል የሚል አለ። እነዚህ ኮዶች አለ። ይሄ ኮድ ከተቀመጠ በኋላ የዚህ ኮድ አውትፑቱ ምን ይሆናል የሚል ጥያቄ ነው ያለ። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው አኒማል ስፒክ የሚለው ይወጣል ነው። ሁለተኛ ዜርስ ዶግ ብራክስ የሚል ይወጣል ነው። ሲ ኤረር ነው። ዲ ነቲንግ ወይም የሚወጣ ነገር የለም። what is the types of what is the type of the value returned in by inputs? A int, B float, C star, D code. 57 the process of restoring the database of the consistent states in the event of the failures. A restore, B attach, C recover, D all. 58 backing up the data to a server which geographically separated for the production systems. A online, B offline, C offsite, D on-site. Which testing approaches involves testing a system while it is actually running and interacting with users or other systems? A bunch testing, online testing, white box testing, black box testing. 60ኛ which one of the following statement is true about primary key in SQL? A primary key can contain duplicate value in its column. B a primary key is column can have null value. C a primary key ensures that each record in a table is unique. D a primary key can be assigned to more than one column in a table. 61 one of the following is an example of arithmetic operators. Which one of the following is an example of arithmetic operator? A concatenation, B length, C substring, D dividing. 62 which types of backup is used to backup only the data that has changed since the last full backups? A incremental backup, B differential backup, C full backup, D mirror backup. 63 one of the following is not database model: hierarchical, B relational, C object oriented, D linear. 64 which component is a computer system's primary responsible for processing and executing data? A hard drive or hard disk, B random access memory or RAM, C central processing unit or CPU, D power supply units. Which SQL function returns number of records? A count, B sum, C average, D max. Which of these is used for looping in a PHP? For each, B for, C while, D all of the above. 67 which function is used to connect to MySQL in PHP? A MySQL I underscore connect, B connect database, C open MySQL, D SQL open. Assessment: how do you include another PHP files? How do you include another PHP files? A include file PHP, B insert file.php, C add file.php, D required ones file.php. 69 what is the relational database management systems? A system for managing files on a computer, B a system for managing relational data only, C a collection of programs for managing database, D a system for creating geographical user interface. 7 what does the term data redundancy refer in a context of database? What does the term data redundancy refer to in a context of database? A storing data in multiple locations of the security, storing data in multiple locations for security, storing duplicate data in the same tables, C using multiple backup strategies for different recovery, D using data consistency to access tables. 7 which statements correctly retrieves the total number of rows in a person's tables? A select count from persons, B select columns from person, C select columns from person, select count from persons. 72 assume that there are two given tables, student tables and course tables under the same database name. What would be possible relation between those tables? The relation between student and courses for one college, for example, or any schools. A one-to-one relationships, B one-to-one relationships, C many-to-many relationships, D has no relationships. What normal form of elements transitive dependency? What normal form elements transitive dependency? A first normal form, B third normal form, C second normal form, D BCNF. Which said SDLC cases involves the actual translations of system specifications and architecture designs into executable codes, thereby transforming conceptual designs into fully functional software application? A. Analyze, B. Maintenance, C. Designs, D. Implementation. Which one of the following statements gets the total value of the columns price in the sale tables? Which one of the following statement gets the total value of the column price in the cell table? A. Select add price from sales. B. Select sum price from sales. C. Select total price from sales. D. Select sum price per sales. 56. What types of K is used to establish the relationship between two tables in relational database? A. Candidate K. B. Composite K. C. Primary K. D. Foreign case. 77. What is the primary function of user account controls in a Windows operating systems? What is the primary function of user account control in the Windows operating systems? A. To manage network settings and configuration. B. To prevent unauthorized changes to the system by requiring user approvals. C. To enhance the speed of internet connection. D. To manage file permissions for different users. 78. In the context of web development, what does the acronym SEO represent? In the context of web development, what does the acronym SEO represent? A. Secure encoding online. B. Search engine optimization. C. Site evaluation option. D. Social engagement operations. 79. Which command is in a command line interface to create a new directory for organized files? A. New dir. B. mkdir. C. create dir. D. dir. 80ኛ ኦር የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ማለት ነው። What is the primary rules of firewalls in a network environment? What is the primary rule of firewall in a network environment? A. To enhance the speed of internet connections. B. To block unauthorized access and protect network security. C. To manage users' permissions and access levels. D. To store files and data. እነዚህ አጠቃላይ 80 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ፕሪፖስት ኤግዛም ናቸው። ስለዚህ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ከመጀመሪያው እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ በተሰጠው መሰረት በደንብ አድርጋችሁ አንብባችሁ እናንተ በሚገባችሁ ቀስ አድርጋችሁ ካነበባችሁና ከተረዳችሁ በኋላ መልሶቻቸውን መያዛችሁን እንዳዘነጉ። ስለዚህ በወረቀት ላይ መልሶቻቸውን ካሰፈራችሁ በኋላ አሁን እኔ ከማሳያችሁ መልስ ጋራ ኮምፔር ኤንድ ኮንትራስት አድርጋችሁ የራሳችሁን ፐርፎርማንስ በራሳችሁ ሜዠር ካረጋችሁና ከፈተናችሁ በኋላ ወደ ፈተና መግባትና ራሳችሁን ማዘጋጀት ብቁ መሆን ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ መልሱ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መልሶቹን በተመሳሳይ ከዛው አብረው የወጡ ናቸው። ዌብ ዴቨሎፕመንት ኤንድ ሰርቪስ አድሚኒስትሬሽን ሌቭል 4 አንሰር ኬስ ፎር ጁን 2025 ነው። ስለዚህ የእያንዳንዳቸው መልሶቻቸው ማለት ነው ከአንደኛው እስከ 80ኛው ጥያቄ በዚህ መሰረት ተቀምጧል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህና ያኛውን የተሰጠውን ጥያቄ ኮምፔር እናንተ ጋር የተቀመጠውን መልስ ኮምፔር በማድረግ ከእነዚህ ጋር ገናኛላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አጠቃላይ መልሶቹ እነዚህን ይመስላሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ በሚገባችሁ መሰረት ሰፋና ጠለቅ አድርጋችሁ በተለያየ ዳይሬክሽን ይሄ ጥያቄ ቢቀየር በዚህ መልክ ቢመጣ የሚለውን ማገናዘብና ማየት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አጠቃላይ የነበረው ጥያቄ መልሶቻቸው እነዚህን ይመስላሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የዳታቤዝ ቲዎሬቲካል ጥያቄ 80 ጥያቄዎቹ እስከነ መልሶቻቸው ከነዚህ ኮርሶች የሚመጣ ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ ደግሞ እነዚህን በምላትና በስፋት በደንብ አድርጋችሁ በጥልቀት አንብባችሁ ራሳችሁን አዘጋጅታችሁ ለፈተና መቅረብ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ እና ኮመንት ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ አብሮነታችሁን እንድትገልጹ ስል በጽና ገልጻለሁኝ። መልካም ውሎ፣ መልካም ምሽት፣ መልካም